Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 20th April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Where will the Global Ayush Investment and Innovation Summit be held? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is in Gandhinagar. So following Indian PM Shri Narendra Modi visit, the Mauritius PM is on state visit to India. The visit is aimed at strengthening the bilateral relationship. So basically the PM Jugadnath will share the stage with the PM Modi to inaugurate the WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine in Jamnagar. He will also attend the Global Ayush Investment and Innovation Summit in the Gandhinagar. Apart from that, Mauritius has introduced a visa-free Ramiji for Indian tourists. He was the chief guest for the Parvarish Bharatiya Divas in January 2017. Okay, so now question number 2. Which city will host the 40th Hunar Haat? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Mumbai. So Hunar Haat, an opportunity to showcase the art and craft from the various concerns of the nation, has been inaugurated in Mumbai. So Hunar Haat is a unique opportunity for the artisans from across the different parts of the country to show their unique artifacts, craft, etc. with a focus on local for vocal. It will have more than 1000 artisans and it is expected to see a footfall of 8 to 10 lakh visitors every day. So the previous Hunar Haat have proved to be the game changer for the promotion of artisans' work. Okay, so now question number 3. What is the CBDC stand for? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Central Bank Digital Currency. So the central bank digital currency is a digital form of central bank money that is widely available for general public. So the central bank also planned to launch the central bank digital currency as announced in budget 2022 speech of the honorable finance minister. So basically the central bank has decided not to go with the continuation of the plastic note. So the polymer at the high temperature is a reactive. So does a tropical country like India, provision for the plastic would not be successful experiment. So owing to the high volume of UPI transaction as reported by the National Payment Corporation of India, the relevance of having plastic currency ceased to exist. Okay, so now question number 4. What is the index for industrial production growth rate for February 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that 1.7 percentage. So the post-pandemic situation has improved. Therefore, industrial production has shown a positive growth trend with a slight edge over the last month of January. So the index of industrial production covers 8 crore sector including cement, coal, crude oil, fertilizer, renewables, electricity, natural gas and steel. So the sector growth is computed monthly and a cumulative result is shown. So basically the index of industrial production growth at 1.7 percentage with a positive flip of 0.2 percentage over the last month. So it is an indicative of the fact that manufacturing is a gathering pace. Okay, so now question number 5. What is the budget of the government of India's National Semiconductor Mission? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 76,000 crore rupees. So the Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will attending the spring meeting of IMF, World Bank and G20 Finance Minister. She is also expected to hold bilateral meeting on the sidelines of these talks. So India's SDR position ranked 30th despite being the 6th largest economy. Therefore, India has been batting for having a greater share regarding SDR as her forex reserve are all-time high at around 600 billion USD. So basically the finance minister will also hold meeting with CEOs of the semiconductor industry as government of India's plan to make India semiconductor hub by investigating chip manufacturing as outlined in budget 2022. So the government has allocated 76,000 crore rupees to the National Semiconductor Mission to create an environment that would promote the chip manufacturing culture in the country. Okay, so now question number 6. Which state produced the highest parabolic rice? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Telangana. So Telangana saw larger scale protests following the CCES decision to cut procurement of parabolic rice. So now question number 7. According to a recent World Bank report, what is the decadal reduction in poverty in India? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 12.3%. So the aim rising per capita income, the debate around decadal poverty alleviation has caught pace. So India is however trapped in a middle income trap. So as per the economic survey 2021, poverty in India stands at 21.9%, suggesting around 25 crore people are still below the poverty line. So the poverty line is decided as per the Rangarajan committee numbers rupees 47 and rupees 32 per day for urban and rural person respectively. So basically the World Bank data suggests that the last decade India has been able to reduce the below poverty line number to 12.3%. Okay, so now question number 8. Which bank made the first offshore USD-linked loan by IFSC? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is SBI. So the SBI, one of the promising domestic systematically important bank and the largest lender in the country, has raised 500 million USD in a bid to expand her business. So the State Bank of India has raised the first offshore USD linked secure overnight financing rate linkage syndicate loan. So it shows the reputation enjoyed by the largest lender in the credit market abroad. So the SBI is one of the four domestic systematically important banks. So basically, domestic systematically important bank is the one that has total capital of 2% of India's GDP. Such banks are prone to the more regulation as they are drivers of the economic socialism. Okay, so now question number 9. Which firm has been appointed the Prime Minister Museum official digital payment partner? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Paytm. So the Paytm has become an official digital payment partner for the Prime Minister Museum. It is the offshoring its payment gateway, electronic data capture mechanism and QR code payment option to make a way for super fast, convenient and secure transaction. So basically the museum, which is the tribute for the former Prime Minister of India, will be open to the public on 21st April 2022. So basically the PM Modi also purchased the first ticket of the museum before its inauguration. Okay, so now last question. Which key body of United Nations Economics and Social Council has India been elected to? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is all of the above. So India has been elected to the United Nations Economics and Social Council for four major bodies, including the Commission on Science and Technology for Development, to the Committee for Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. So basically, the Ambassador Priti Saran has been re-elected. So in 2018, she was the first elected to the Asian Pacific seat of the UN's Committee of Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. Okay.